Most people lose their importance without even realizing it. They talk too much, they stay too available, and slowly people stop valuing them. You may have seen this happen in your own life. In a friend circle, someone suddenly becomes the person everyone ignores. In relationships, someone slowly stops being a priority. At work, someone's opinion stops carrying weight. But the truth is, importance in people's eyes is not random. It comes from a few simple behaviors. In this video, I'm going to share 3 powerful points. If you apply these in your life, people will naturally start valuing your presence more. But before we begin, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe to the channel, because your likes and comments really help the channel grow. So, let's start with the first point. Listen to others, not yourself. This might sound strange at first. Most people say you should always listen to your own mind. And yes, in many situations that's true. But when it comes to becoming important in people's eyes, the rule changes. You have to learn to listen to others first, because every person loves to talk about themselves. People enjoy speaking about their own life, their problems, their opinions, but very few people truly listen. And that is exactly why good listeners stand out immediately. Almost every successful and respected person shares one common trait. They know how to listen. Think about a simple situation. You're upset about something, and you go to a friend to share what's on your mind. You start explaining your problem, but halfway through your sentence, your friend interrupts. Suddenly, he starts talking about his own story. "Bro, you don't know what happened to me yesterday. Trust me, my situation was even worse." And now the conversation becomes completely about him. He keeps talking about his problems, his experiences, his story. Meanwhile, the thing you wanted to say stays unfinished. And when you can't fully express what you were feeling, that frustration stays inside you. The next time something happens, you may not even feel like sharing anything to that friend. Why? Because deep down, you know he doesn't really listen. So whenever you meet new people, join a new group, or talk to someone you like, try something different. Be the person who listens. Ask them about their interests. Ask what they enjoy doing. Ask about their experiences. Let them talk about themselves. And don't start talking about yourself until they ask. When someone notices that you are genuinely interested in them, they naturally start valuing you more. Because in a world where everyone wants to speak, the person who truly listens becomes rare and important. Now let's move to the second point. Too much availability reduces your value. This is a mistake many people make without realizing it. The more available you become, the more your value slowly decreases. Imagine you start talking to someone new. Maybe it's a new friend, maybe it's someone you like, maybe it's the beginning of a relationship. At first, the conversation feels exciting. You talk for hours, 5 hours on the phone, constant WhatsApp messages all day. But after some time, something changes. You slowly run out of things to talk about. The mystery disappears, the excitement fades, and slowly your importance starts to drop. The same thing happens in friend groups. If you are always available, always replying instantly, always present everywhere, people slowly start taking your presence for granted. Your priority decreases, your respect decreases, your value decreases. Whenever you become more available than necessary, your importance begins to drop. Think about how companies launch limited edition products. Sometimes they release a phone that will only be available for a short time. After that, it disappears from the market. No matter how much money someone offers later, they cannot get it because it was limited. And that limited availability makes the product more valuable. In the same way, you should treat your time and presence as something valuable. Be available for people who respect you and value you, but don't make yourself endlessly available everywhere. When your presence is limited, people start valuing it more. Now let's move to the third point. Control your anger and carry a natural smile. One more simple thing can change how people perceive you: your emotional energy. In one of my previous videos, I talked about something interesting. Some people actually respect individuals who know how to control their temper, because emotional control shows maturity. But there is something even simpler. Try to keep a natural smile on your face. A smile immediately changes the way people experience your presence. When someone sees you smiling, it sends a signal of warmth and positivity. People feel more comfortable talking to you. They feel relaxed around you. Your personality starts carrying a quiet, positive energy. And when people feel good in your presence, they naturally start valuing that presence more. Sometimes something as simple as a smile can make your personality feel stronger, calmer, and more attractive. So, remember these 3 points. Be a good listener, don't make yourself too available, and carry a positive smile. These small behaviors can quietly change the way people treat you. Before you go, leave a comment below. The comment that receives the most likes may become the topic of my next video, as long as the topic is meaningful and mature. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and share it with someone who might need to hear this.